Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. I will concentrate about this one first. So I will put about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of s to the power of 3. We have 3s squared. First derivative of number 1. This is about the constant. So you got about 0. Next, because we don't have number 6, so we need to divide both sides by number 6. So this one we change by u. S squared ds we change by this one. Next, we have the formula in here. The integration of a to the power of u du. We have a to the power of u over ln a, and I will put about c. So we can apply the formula in here. And that is about 3 to the power of u over ln number 3. And I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. Now I will concentrate about this one only. So we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to 2x plus 3. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. And we have number 2. Because this one you got about number 1. First derivative of number 3. We have number 0 in here. And we put about ds. Later that we divide both sides by number 2. So this one we change by u. ds we change by this one. The integration of cosecant of u. We have negative ln of the absolute value of cosecant of u plus cotangent u. And then I will put about c. About u, that is about 2s plus 3. Now we compile the answer in here. The integration of this one, that is about this one. The integration of this one, that is about this one. And this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.